Students, today we are going to solve the 27th problem in case of branch accounts where goods are sent at invoice price. So this problem has come for 2015 of Bangalore University, BCom. A company of Gwalior has its branch at Delhi. Goods are invoiced to the branch at cost plus 25%. So its cost plus 25% is nothing but cost plus 1 by 4. So if it's 1 by 4 or on cost, you need to take it 1 by 5 on sale. So branch has been instructed to deposit daily all cash received by it in the head office account, except petty expenses which are met by the branch manager from the petty cash amount sent by the head office from time to time. From the following particulars, prepare Delhi branch account in the books of head office at Gwalior. The branch sells the goods at invoice price only. Depreciation is to be provided on the branch furniture at 10% per annum. So depreciation should be deducted from the closing furniture. Stock on 1/4/2018 at invoice price 36,000 debit side. Sundry debtors on 1/4/2018 21,000, it's called opening debtor debit side. Cash in hand on 1/4/2018 960 debit side, it's called opening petty cash. Office furniture on 1/4/2018 3,000 debit side. Goods received from head office 1,90,000 debit side. Goods returned to head office by the branch 2,500 credit side. So cash received from debtors 72,000 will come in credit side. Credit sales put in into mark, it will not come in branch account, it will come in debtors account. Discount allowed to debtors will come in debtors account. Goods returned by debtor is nothing but sales return will come in debtor account. Expenses paid by the head office have paid totally 9,220 for various expenses like rent, salary, printing and stationery. Petty expenses paid by the branch 670. So this is the petty expenses paid by the branch. So it's not the closing petty cash. So it's only the expenses paid by the branch. So how will you find the closing petty cash? Students, we have 960 at the beginning of the year in our hand, minus 670, remaining will be the closing petty cash. So students, in this problem, if you observe, closing stock is not given in the question. So you are supposed to calculate the closing stock first. So how to calculate the closing stock? Opening stock 36,000. Add the goods that we received from head office. Add the goods that we received from debtor as sales returns. Sales returns is nothing but goods returned by debtor. So we had 36,000 at the beginning, plus we received 1,90,000 from head office, plus we received goods from debtor. So totally we had 2,27,100. Deduct the goods that we returned. Deduct the goods that we sold on credit. So two goods have gone out, two goods have come in. The goods that have come in add, the goods that have gone out you should minus. We don't have any cash sales, therefore closing stock will be 1,04,600. Now debtors account, students, first you write to balance brought down 21,000, bring down the debtor balance. Credit sales 1,20,000. By cash paid by debtor 72,000, by discount allowed 700, by sales returns 1,100. So we get a balance of closing 67,200. So branch account, students, to opening stock 36,000, to sundry debtors 21,000, to opening petty cash 960, to opening furniture 3,000, to goods received from head office 1,90,000, to cash received from head office 9,220. So totally we have received three amounts, 9,220, and then goods returned to head office 2,500. Then two amounts are paid by the branch to its head office. That's data 72,000 we received. Cash sales, we don't have any cash sales. Then closing stock did in working note 1,04,600. Then closing furniture 67,200. That's closing data 67,200. Then closing furniture 2,700. That's 3,000 minus 10% depreciation 300. Closing petty cash 290. That is 960 minus petty cash expenses paid by the branch manager 370, I think. So therefore students, so closing petty cash 960 minus the branch spent, you get 290. Then you need to calculate stock reserve. Stock reserve is calculated on opening stock, closing stock, goods received and goods returned. Opening stock is 36,000, record it in the credit side into 1/5, you get 7,200. Goods received from head office 1,90,000 into 1/5, record it in opposite side 38,000. Next, goods returned 2,500, record it in the opposite side into 1/5. Closing stock 1,04,600 into 1/5, record it in opposite side 20,920. So you get a net profit of 12,860. So students, any doubts, feel free to contact me. Thank you.